Okay, I just finished filling another tray with some potting soil, and I wanted to show you what potting soil I use. This is Fertilome Ultimate Potting Soil, Potting Mix, it's called, and you cannot get it at a big box store. It's usually a private nursery or something like that that will have this particular brand, at least in Texas. I'm not sure if it's even available in other parts. But also, I just wanted to show you all of these pecans. I had my potting soil out in the shed, and the squirrels decided that was a beautiful place to hide some of the pecans. So I keep running into pecans as I'm dipping out the potting soil. It's hilarious. Anyway, I will keep you updated here.